Okay, here we are. It's Friday afternoon, a little happy hour session, October 23rd, just north of Vilano Beach. Got that Hurricane Epsilon swell out there. We're going to get out for about an hour ago, meet Bill out there. You can see him out there on the surfboard. Bill's out there on the surfboard waiting on us, and we'll try and make the paddle and meet up with him and surf a little bit of this Greek alphabet swell, Epsilon. It's Bill!
In all its glory.
I made the paddle out.
How was it? How was it?
Did you time me?
About 4 or 5 minutes. It took me about 6 minutes to get out.
It wasn't too bad. I got lucky.
I got pounded. I went out over there and just, it was a drag.
I timed it just right.
You did. It took me longer to paddle out. I mean, it wasn't easy. It was getting sucked back in. And really windy this morning, then it calmed down at 11. I went out 45 minutes, and I was surfing outside of the home. Shore break is nice.
That was it. We missed it. I almost took it, but it was closing out.
The problem I had this morning was to get in the spot where you could take it off. It got really steep, and it was hard to get away from that lip, you know, and try to get something going. I mean, it's jacking up out here just as fast as it does inside.
Yeah, I could have caught that one, but it was closing out. Woohoo! Woohoo! Just see if it's steep enough. Oh yeah, here we go. GoPro, start recording. tempo, start recording. Whew. Let's see here. Okay, have a good one. I don't like surfing the inside. Okay, that was a fun session out there for about an hour on late Friday afternoon. It's probably evening now, and get some surfing done with Bill on Hurricane Epsilon swell. It's starting to rain a little bit, a little mushy on the outside, kind of crazy on the inside, but still, it's great to be out in the ocean. And we'll give it another try in the morning. Over and out.